So good morning, students. This is our computer class, and but in today's class, I will give you some assignments. I will give you some revision questions, and you all have to do those questions on your rough notebook if you have, or if you have your last year notebook, which is blank, you can write on that. Okay, and after that, we will move to our English portion. Understand? So let me show you your revision test. I hope you all can see the screen over here. So I hope that you all can see the screen. This is the fill in the blanks which you all have to do.
Ma'am,
Don't touch the
in
screen.
periodic,
Don't
the
touch
periodic.
the screen.
Ma'am,
So students, let's. Yes, Srishti.
I was saying that we have to done the revision test in this period and show you, or we have to send this.
You have to send me completing all these answers. Write down all the answers on after some time and send me on WhatsApp. Understand? Is that clear, Srishti? Write down all the answers. First question number 1 is dash is the main storage of unit of computer. Dash is used to insert text, objects with ready-made effects. Number 3 is
Ma'am, what is meaning of REXY?
sorry, it's a typo, it's a mistake. Ready-made, it's ready-made. It's ready, R-E-A-D-Y. You can format a table by dash, comma, dash, and dash to a table. Number 4. Number 5. Part oriented. Mute yourself. Part oriented. Dash. I think 5 fill in the blanks are sufficient. Complete them. I think it's sufficient. I hope you all have written. Now take out your English book.
No, ma'am.
Write down all these fill in the blanks and you have to complete these fill in the blanks on your revision.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have to complete these fill in the blanks on your revision notebook and send it to me on your WhatsApp group. Now take out your English book and let's complete the exercise which we left in our last week. So students, let's start our English class now. I hope you all have written your revision test, revision questions, fill in the blanks of computer, complete them and send it on my WhatsApp, on your WhatsApp group. And let's complete our rest of the English portion which we left in our last class. So, open page number 39. As you can see here, grammar. How? Read the dialogue. How did everyone go after the party? Answer is everyone went by bus after the party. The words in color are the main point of the answer. As you can see the color by bus. These are the main points of the answer. Here you can see. Now ask question to get these answers. Now ask questions to get these answers. Use the word how to begin your questions. Remember to focus on the main point given in the bold of each answer. So here we have to start question with how and take care of the word which is written in bold over here. So student, the first question is the passenger jumped out of the compartment hurriedly. The word which is written in bold is hurriedly. Hurriedly means jaldi se. So the passenger jumped out of the compartment hurriedly and the answer will be, we have to write the question for this sentence. So the question will come here. How did the passenger jump out of the compartment? Understand? How did the passenger jump out of the compartment? And question mark. Everything is same. Just we have to write a little bit. How did the passenger jump out of the compartment? Answer is the passenger jumped out of the compartment hurriedly. Next, the girl sang sweetly and melodiously at the function. And the question which is coming from this sentence would be, how did the girl sing at the function? Okay, so students, so the answer of question number 2 would be, let me tell you. First answer I already told you. Did the passenger jump out of the compartment? How did the passenger jump out of the compartment? This was the question number first. And next question is, how did the girl sing at the function? How did the girl sing at the function? Question. Next is, he rode into the battlefield on his horse. The question is, he rode into the battlefield on his horse. This is the sentence, and now we have to make the question from this sentence. Understand? So students, whenever we are changing any verb, you can see here, this is past tense. So we have to make that verb the first form of the verb. You can see jumped and it is changed in jump. Sang, it is changing in sing. So here you can see rode. The first form, this is the second or third form. You have to tell me the first form. Which is the first form of rode? The first form of rode is ride. Understand? So the answer will be, how did he ride into the battlefield? How did he ride into the battlefield? Next, we went home by taxi after the function. We went home by the taxi after the function. So what would be the question? The question would be, how did you go home after the function? Question mark. Understand? Next is, next question is, I put the paper boat in the stream very gently. So the question is, how did how did you put the paper boat in the stream? Question mark. I hope you all have written. Now move to the next question. Using suitable words, fill in the blanks using the best options. Here we have to find out the best options. Rahul is dash boy in the class. So intelligent, more intelligent, or most intelligent? Who can tell me the right answer? Anyone? Yes, Srishti?
Ma'am, intelligent. Rahul is intelligent boy in class.
Rahul is the dash boy in the class. तो सिर्फ intelligent होगा, more intelligent or most intelligent. Listen to me very carefully. That when we have, no, more will listen to me very carefully. That intelligent कब होगा? कब होगा intelligent? Whenever we are not comparing with anyone. हम किसी से compare नहीं कर रहे. We are talking about myself that Rahul is an intelligent boy. Understand? We are not comparing. When we are comparing between two, Rahul and Mohan, if we are comparing between two, that Rahul is more intelligent than Mohan. And if we are comparing Rahul with all of class, with the whole class, then we have to say most intelligent. Understand? Rahul is most intelligent boy in the class. The right answer will be Rahul is most intelligent boy in the class. So your answer will be most intelligent. This book is dash than the one I read last before. This book is the words. It is comparing between two. Banno's room is clean, cleaner or cleanest. Banno's room is that comparing between two? Or is that comparing between all of the people? Or it is normal sentence? Can you tell me? Which is the right answer? Clean, cleaner or cleanest? Yes, Tara?
Ma'am, cleanest.
Anyone else? अभी मैंने बताया that whenever we are talking about a normal sentence, Banno's room is dash. If we are comparing, if it is normal sentence, अगर ये एक normal sentence है, तो first form लगेगा. You can see here, this is the first. अगर comparing between two, then we have to use another degree, which is cleaner. When we are comparing between many of the rooms of the house, then we can use cleanest. But this is a normal sentence. Banno's room is clean. Understand? किसी में compare नहीं हो रहा है ये एक normal sentence है. That's why यहाँ पे सिर्फ clean होगा, not cleanest. Arab, your answer is wrong. अभी मैंने बता दिया है clear कि जब हम compare करते हैं two के बीच में, then we have to use the second one. Comparing between many, then we have to use the third one. If we are comparing with one only, then we are not comparing with, if it is a normal sentence, then we have to use first one. You must work dash next time. Here the answer will be hard. I hope you all have written. Move to the next question. Match the words in the column A and those in column B. Here we have to match them. I hope you all can do this exercise. Can you do this exercise easily? You just have to match it. सब कर लेंगे अपने से? Okay, move to the next one. Now use these words to complete the sentences given below. Here some words are given. Here these words you have to use here. The dash plugged the orange easily. You have to match them first and you have to add. Let's match. I will help you to match them and you can fill in the blanks here. Understand? So the answer of the first one is thick book. Long ribbon. Tall boy. Fat cow. High chair. If you have done that, that is okay. Move to the next one. You have to fill all these thick book, long ribbon, tall boy, fat cow, high chair here in these blanks over here. In these blanks, you have to write all these words. Understand? Like the first one will be the tall boy plucked the orange easily. The dash is meant for tall people. The high chair is meant for all people, tall people. The dash stood on the road and disturbed the traffic. The fat cow stood in the road. She used a dash for a ribbon dance. She used a long ribbon for the ribbon dance. Your younger brother decided to leave the dash on my table as it is very heavy. Leave the thick bow. Move to the next one. Here you can see, learn new words. Given below are the words and their definitions. Match the words with their correct definition. Here we have to match the words with their correct definition. So let me tell you the right one. That would be helpful for you all. For this, for matching this, just put down the numbers. If we put down numbers, then it would be easy for you all. Like number 1 is this. This is number 2. Understand? सब लोग इसी तरह से नंबर यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे. Write down numbers, all the numbers. Number 4, number 5, this is number 6, this is number 7, this is number 8. Understand? Now here I will help you to write the correct. Like. Like means an affection or positive feeling. An affection, like means an affection or a positive feeling. So here is the number 1. Number 2 is going. Going means an act of leaving, getting further. Number 2. Number 3 is start, the beginning point. This is number 3. Write down, Pratyanshu. Number 4 is run. Run means fast, hurried step or activity. Number 5 is write. Write means it is already written in front of it. 5. To permit to occur or admit into an action. Number 6 is set. Set means to place something in a particular place. Number 7 is move. Move to change from one point to another. Number 8, include. Include means to be a part or gather into or act of placing words or number to be. To be a part of gathering, which is 8th, and the last one is here 9th. I hope you all have done. Move to the next exercise. A smile, smiley, simile. Compares two different things so that the people reading or hearing simile get a picture on their minds. Using simile make sentence more interesting to read or hear. Fill in the blanks from the list of complete these well-known similes. So he saws the distant star. He must have eyes like a hawk. Eyes like a hawk. Number 1 is hawk. Don't call Chandran. He chatters like a monkey. The mattress is as light as a feather. My dog obeys well and is as good as a bull. The back tires of the car is as flat as a pancake. Number 5. I hope all you have written all these numbers. Move to the next exercise. Move to the next exercise. Write a sentence. Oh my. So students, let's move to the next exercise, which is write a sentence similar to those listed by using the words in the word box. So here we have to write the sentence similar to those listed by the using words in the word box. You can see some words over here. they needed cash to pay for their groceries. The similar word of cash is wait, shiny, sad, crowded, money, or sting. Which is the similar word? Similar word is money. The similar word is money. Understand? So you have to make a sentence using this word, like they needed money to pay for their groceries. समझ में आया सबको? What you have to do? You have to rewrite the sentence using the similar word. Like you have to write the same sentence. They needed money. In place of cash, you have to write money. Understand? Money to pay for their groceries. You have to write like this. You have to write using this word. Okay. So I will write the numbers about these words. You can, I hope you all can make sentence. आप सब बना सकते हैं ना sentence using these words. You have to complete this exercise on your notebook. अपनी notebook में करना है. Understand? Next is we had to stay in our class until it was over. So stay means wait. Number 2. The glossy decoration looked pretty on the tree. Glossy means shiny decoration. The smell of the garbage was horrible. So you can say number 4, sting. Okay, the last one is, the 5th is, it was a gloomy day. It was a gloomy day means sad day. The school bus is always packed, that means crowded. I hope you all have written. You have to rewrite the sentence using these words in place of the word which are written bold here. In place of cash, money, you have to write like this. In place of stay, you have to use wait. They had to wait in the class until it is over. In place of glossy, you have to write shiny. The shiny decoration looked pretty on the tree. I hope you all have written this. Move to the next exercise. You have to complete this word quiz by yourself. Understand? Use IE or EI to complete these words. IE or EI. I hope you all can do this exercise also easily. This is very simple. And use these words in sentence of your own. This one also is for your homework. Understand? Okay, you all have to complete all these exercises by yourself, 2-3 exercises. Okay, students, but that's all for today's class. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay.